I remember the night you caught me glance. Do you remember the first time that we danced? Under a star-filled sky, the night held winter air. We held each other close, only you and I were there. Then I asked you, Jamie, what's going through your head? You surprised me when you said, Andy, am I doing okay? Am I dancing the right way? Andy, tell me what you think of me. If you only knew, Jamie. I remember when we kissed for the first time. I remember thinking, man, I hope that she'll be mine. And I wondered what you thought of me. And I remember when you said, Andy, am I doing okay? Am I dancing the right way? Tell me what you think of me. If you only knew, Jamie. I remembered again last night, just smiles, no trace of tears. Standing right there where we danced, looking back on 30 years. I made my life like you with another, but still a memory fills my heart and sings in my head. Genuine and free, an angel danced with me. Some would have lied, but not Jamie. Instead she said, Andy, am I doing okay? Am I dancing the right way? Oh, Andy, tell me what you think of me. Somehow you knew, dear Jamie.